Hey guys, Amy with my Publix coupon buddy here. Nature's Own Butterbread is on sale BOGO this week. The ad said $3.15, but my store is priced at $3.40, so maybe a little different than my original breakdown. Let's go down to this one. Yeah, okay. Buy two at $3.40 or $3.15, whichever your price your store is. Use two of the 55-cent off printable coupons. I'll put the link to it above or below this video, and pay somewhere in the neighborhood of one. I thought I had my deal sheet turned to that page. But I'm more organized this week than I normally am. 103 if they're priced at $3.15 at your store. It's going to be a little more if they're priced at $3.40 at your store. Happy couponing. Oh, and this goes on until 8/6 or 8/7. Going on now until 8/6 or 8/7. Happy couponing.